Namaste from TechRamen. What I got here is the Vivo V15 Pro. V15 Pro came with the Funtouch OS 9, but they added some new features to the Funtouch OS 9 recently, and that has come to this device now, including the dark mode and always on display and few other features which I'm going to talk about in this video. So keep watching, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's see what are the new features that has come on this device. Vivo V15 Pro was launched with Funtouch 9 based on Android Pie. These new updates to the Funtouch 9, which I'm going to talk about in this video, bring some additional features and is of 650 MB file size. Always on display makes appearance in this update, so you can check the time, date, battery level constantly on the lock screen when the screen is off, and of course you need to enable this option. Incoming messages, WhatsApp, mail can be shown as an icon, but you can choose to disable them in the settings. There is a start and end time to turn on and off always on display. Say like morning times, you can set it on and choose to automatically off during the night time. Do note, always on display drains the battery a bit fast. There are various clock types for you to choose from. Next up is my favorite, dark mode. Dark mode changes the control center, settings page, notification panel, some built-in apps like calculator, even Facebook turns to dark mode, file manager, phone manager, dialer, clock app to black layout. Till now, the control center when swiped from down looked like this, but there is a redesign here too. I'm not sure if I like this new layout, especially the brightness and volume sliders on the side vertically up. Do let me know how you like this. There are few other nifty features too. There is a network assistant in the Wi-Fi settings. Over there is an auto switch data network option, which when Wi-Fi signal is weak switches automatically to mobile data, so you have a seamless connectivity. Also found here is an accelerator app setting, which when Wi-Fi is slow borrows mobile data for combined better speed. You can choose the apps which you want to accelerate by default when the signal is weak. In display settings, earlier it was just one color temperature option. Now you have a screen color settings, which apart from the color temperature slider also has three new modes: standard, normal and bright mode. In home screen settings, there is a new option, icon pattern. Adjusting the slider, you can make the app icon square or fully rounded or with rounded corners as per your liking. Battery settings has a battery percentage indicator, which allows to place the indicator inside the icon or outside. So these are the new features that has been added to the Funtouch OS 9. So do let me know how do you like this. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Rajan signing off for TechRamen. Have a great day. Cheers.